The QuoteWerks Pax8 integration allows you to search, select, and quote items from Pax8 on your QuoteWerks quotes. To set up the integration, navigate to Setup, then Options, then Real Time, and click on Pax8. This opens the Pax8 setup window. When you click Connect, you are prompted to input your Pax8 credentials. After you input your credentials, a page will display indicating that you are now authorized to use the Pax8 integration in QuoteWerks. Once configured, you can click the Test button at any time to verify the connection and test your credentials. On this window, you also have the ability to map Pax8 fields to QuoteWerks fields and set the billing and commitment term suffixes. Field mapping allows you to map the Pax8 part number, GUID, long description, and item type. Since QuoteWerks uses the manufacturer part number as a unique identifier for each item, the part number field is most often mapped to it. However, you have the flexibility to map to other fields if you prefer. Most Pax8 items have different billing terms and commitment terms available for selection. The billing term suffix can be set so that as a part is selected, the part number is amended based on the term of the contract. For example, if the item has a monthly billing term, -MTH will be added to the end of the part number when it is added to the quote workbook. The commitment term suffix works similarly in that they are also added to the end of the part number and represent the commitment term for the item. For example, if the item has a monthly commitment, -MON will be added to the end of the part number when it is added to the quote workbook. With all of the settings configured, you can press OK to save them. To search for Pax8 items, start by clicking on the Products icon on the standard toolbar, then navigate to the Pax8 tab. This opens the Search Pax8 window. Here you can search for items using the search term box or filter results by vendor. Additionally, you can click Show All to display all available items. Once you locate the item you are looking for, select it. A description of the part will display under the search grid, and available subscriptions will display under Subscription Options. Subscription Options lists the billing and commitment terms, the type, unit of measure, buy rate or cost, and suggested retail or list price. When you select your subscription options and hit Add to the document, the selected item is added to the quote and appends the appropriate billing and commitment suffix. For example, you can see that -MTH was added to signify a monthly billing term and -1YR was added to signify a yearly commitment. With your Pax8 items added to your quote, you can now follow the normal quoting and delivery process. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the Pax8 integration in QuoteWerks, feel free to contact the team at 407-248-1481.